Hi guys, good morning. So this is Grace again and welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna visit the place of one of our friend in just past Canlaon City, and they have a house blessings today. So they invite us to come over there to their house. So that's their second house because they've been having their house been long time already, been long time ago. So they have a new house built, so they're gonna have some blessings today. So we're on the way now there. So it's been cloudy this morning, no sunshine. So we are here at the highway right now in Bagawinis. So it's not hot this morning because no sunshine. But we're still switch on to solar because we not use the aircon this time. So just the refrigerator and the defreeze,
internet,
and the internet. So hopefully that it won't rain because we're going to the mountains, Canlaon City. We're gonna, so their place is past Canlaon City. So by Tuesday we're gonna go to Zamboangueta, where the Cabs Beach Resort, because we're gonna meet our friend, one of our friend that visit here in the Philippines. So it's been a long time friend for us since 2011, baby. Yeah, since 2011. Then it's been back and forth Philippines and US, and he stayed here for 2 months or 1 month.
Total of month and a half.
1 month and a half. So he has his vacation here in the Philippines 1.5, then he go back again to US next month. So right now we stay in Cabs Beach Resort, wherein it's located in Zamboangueta, where we always stay there. So we're the one who recommend him that resort. My husband recommend that resort to him. So he's already checked in that resort, and it's been almost 1 month he stayed there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
29 days what he's scheduled.
So you have a big discount because he stay long time to that resort. So it's good for him so that he can enjoy life. And you know that resort, even though it's a small resort, but it's very nice and comfortable, and also the staff there are very friendly and accommodating. So we're not expecting this month that we're gonna go to that Cabs Resort, because he wants us to visit him there. So we're just try our best to go there, to be there, and because it's been long time we're not seeing each other. Oh, that car is very fast. Wants to overtake that motorcycle and no space. So I'm gonna show you right now. It's been sprinkles here. It's been sprinkles here, and hopefully it won't be rain hard. As you can see, it's overcast.
Gotta go faster.
Cloudy day. It's been sprinkled. So we are here right now at Ulay. Some of the trees, there's no leaf. See that?
Mm-hmm. That's because of the big snow.
Hopefully the rain will stop. Maybe it's raining hard in Canlaon.
Maybe.
So lots of traffic this morning.
I'm surprised, especially the truck traffic. I don't know what this motor's gonna do.
Yeah, you need to be careful because I don't. Careful because it's car, baby. Ford. Take your time. Hopefully there's no typhoon. Beautiful mountains.
Yeah, we get the best of both worlds here, mountains and beaches.
Yeah, we're lucky that we are live near in the mountains and we live also near in the ocean.
Yeah, we go
The
to,
beaches, the beach.
yeah, we go to a nice beach, about 20-30 minutes at most, depending on how rough our road is.
Yeah, we are about 15 minutes from the beach, in La Playa Beach.
Yeah.
So it's not really far. We're lucky, huh?
Yeah.
If we want to go to the beach, it's very near. And because where you live in Kentucky, how many hours from your house to the beach?
8-10 hours, I think, something like that. That's driving much faster than you drive here.
It's very far.
If you drive at the speeds we do here, you're looking 16 hours, maybe longer.
Wow. Another day for road trip. So it's been raining hard there at the bottom. Not even see the mountains there because the fog, as you can see there. Even see the mountains. We are here at Tagbeno, before Canlaon City.
That's an old bus.
Yeah.
You say they did?
Yeah, I remember that for you turn, instead of straight, you need to turn left. That's where.
Talking about this road?
Yeah, that road there. The left.
Okay.
That's where on the way to Paliran. So it's over there. That place there. There.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just there in the mountains.
Why we are going here? You said there.
One of our subscriber lived there. I mean his wife, family. Oh, rain hard here. It's raining hard. That's the church I told you. There,
Yeah.
left. I'm not expecting rain today because it's been so bright yesterday, sunshine, really hot. It's good thing that we not do car wash the vehicle.
Yeah.
So we're entering Canlaon City right now. Look at the rice field. It's really nice there. Very healthy, the rice field here. It looks so greeny. Canlaon City is a really beautiful place to live also because of the mountains, and it's really also very peaceful here, and it's the beautiful is really the view is really beautiful. And no need to have aircon here because it's always cold. The weather, it's not really hot. So I think that's their house there. I'm not really sure, but looks like it. Because it's our first time it's our first time that we visit to their house. Because this is new. I really think that's it.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah. I saw her, so that's their house there. Ikuan bi. So that's their house there. It's nice. So we just arrived here at the house of our friends. So this is the view inside in their house. So they have this big living room and that couch, and look at that, it's very beautiful. And outside they have these foods here they put in the table. They have a lots of foods, and they also do some decoration, and they have some tables and chairs there. And look at that, it's really nice house. So you can see how big it is inside, and that's their kitchen there. And some of the family of my friend is preparing some foods, and this is the look outside. On the other side, look at that, there's a big space in here, and they have also that like a terrace. Look at that. It's very beautiful house, and it's so very big too. I think it's 400 square meters for the whole property. That's my husband there, and he's still waiting for his friend. He's watching movie, and that's the foods there. It really looks delicious. They have a lots of different kinds of foods. Look at that. Don't forget the rice, because rice is life. Some of the visitors are already there, and they live near in the highway. So that's the dessert over there. So they're still preparing all the foods, and I cannot wait to eat that food. It's so that's a nice cake there. You have lots of desserts there. Some cake, some puto cheese. Beautiful cake. So we're here again. So that's a big lechon there. Roasted pig, big roasted pig. We call it lechon baboy. Look at that. I cannot wait to eat that lechon. It looks so delicious. So we're still waiting for the other guest. And look at that. It looks very yummy. And kids are enjoying each other. And that's my husband there and our friend. They're just talking, because it's been a while that we not seen each other. Kids are been playing. So I show again the outside look, because I really want to have a little tour on their place, because it's so really nice. I think that's their garage there. Look at that. And that's their family there. They have a nice kitchen too.
And see a lot of familiar faces, a lot of friends. These are some of my friends I've had for probably 13 years now. So
I've been here 14.
14 years, we go way back. So a lot of familiar faces, there's a lot of history, and we just love it here. We love the people, and we appreciate everybody coming to enjoy the food, the fellowship, just have a great time, and enjoy the food and just party, have fun. This place has a lot of karaoke, so just party.
Hi guys, so we're on the way home now. So we really had a good time with our friends there, and it's been 4 years since we've seen each other. It's been a long time because we're always busy and they are busy too. So their house is really nice. It's really have a big space. And it's just newly built.
Yeah, last night's first night in there.
Last night? Oh.
First night they spent it.
So it's nice really because there's very big space for the family, and also outside they have a big space outside. That property that the both that it's like ours, they just do the right, not no title.
Okay.
Just the right.
Being beside the road, I'd worry about that.
Yeah.
Where we're at, I'm pretty positive we're safe. We're not going to be no malls. The road's not going to be expanded.
They own also that sugar cane at the back. They own that sugar cane at the back of their house, but they're not own the property. They just rent it per year. But they own the sugar cane field. But the property where the sugar cane, they not own that. They just
leased.
Yeah, lease. Yeah, we meet some of our friends there, and hopefully that we can have some bonding again soon. But still the same, or when we see each other, looks like it's just the same, da, diba? Treat to each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, no change. Just
Yeah, man, I met a new friend.
yeah, my husband met a new friend. He's really a good guy, and also his wife is very nice lady. She is 60, daddy, turning 60 this year. But she not looks like 60 years old, that girl. So the rain is finally stopped here because it's been raining almost whole day. It's almost 2:30 in the afternoon. So traffic, lots busy, very busy. And also the foods, you like the foods? It's really good, huh? They have that big lechon there. It tastes good. You have another dental clinic. What's that dental clinic? Attorney's office. Ito is they have a dental clinic, a new one there.
The camera's growing.
Yeah. So I'll see you guys later, so stay tuned. So we just arrived here in the house, and looks like it's not been raining here. There in Canlaon, it's almost raining whole day. So the ground is not wet, as you can see. And been shaking here too. So it's just over there in the mountains. It's been raining today. Over here, it's not. It's so dry. So we really had a good time today. They are in our friend's house, and we're stopping there in the market of Valle Hermoso. I've been buying some roasted chicken. So this one, chooks to go. So I bought this one there in the market of Valle Hermoso. That's our dinner tonight. I'm gonna on the light. It's been almost 4 p.m. here. So it's good that we're home safe. And I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching my videos and for all the nice comment. Thank you so much for the love and support. So see you again on my next video. So God bless us all.